Good morning, class. I have introduced myself, Monica. Today I am here to discuss about a simple topic for what is organic farming, processing, labeling, economic consideration, and viability of organic farming. And first of all, we will know about what is organic farming. Yeah, commonly we had been know that organic farming is a method in agriculture production. And next thing we had been know that in organic farming we didn't use any synthetic fertilizers or genetically modified organisms also. And I think any all members has any doubt. We didn't use any synthetic fertilizers. Then which fertilizers we can use for organic cultivation? We can use the fertilizers which are naturally origin or which are origin from organically. And as we know that some of the examples are compost manure, green manures, and bone meals. Next, we will know about the processing of organic farming. First of all, we have to know about what is the processing in organic farming. The processing has a simple definition. The process between sowing of a seeds to the packing of the products in a particular land or in a cultivation area is known as processing, and we can also known as processing of organic cultivation. Next, if you're doing a processing in of organic processing of organic farming, then which steps we have to follow and then what procedures we have to follow. First of all, we have to select a land which is away from the polluted areas. And next thing, we have to select the seeds which are naturally originated or which are originated from the organically only, and we didn't use any genetically modified seeds or we didn't use any artificial seeds for in organic cultivation. And second thing, we have to plan a procedure for the cultivation of organic farming, and we have to follow each and every step in the procedure for the cultivation. And the fourth thing, we have to mind it, we have to check the irrigation for the land. Is the land is capable for every method of irrigations, and the crop is capable for every method of irrigations, we have to check it. And next thing, we have to plan a procedure for controlling of the pest in the cultivation area, and we have to easily follow a simple method for preventing pest is to eliminate the habitat of the pest in cultivate area. By this method, we can easily prevent the pests from the cultivation crop. And we can also do the continuous irrigation in the cultivation area. It must be helpful for the growth of the plant. And next thing, we can use mechanical, physical, and biological methods in the prevention of the pest for cultivation also. And next thing, we can use traps or any methods for preventing of the pest also. And finally, we have to identify is there any pollution area or any polluted source has been founded in cultivation, or if you found, you must prevent it or you must remove it from the cultivation area, and you must clean it for to preventing the pollution. And next we will know about the labeling of organic farming. As we note already, labeling shall convey the clear and acute information about the product which we are cultivating in an organic land. And by labeling, we can know a clear information about the product and what information means, which items we had been used in the cultivation, and which chemicals or fertilizers we can be used in the cultivation areas. By this labeling, we can know that each and every information about the materials, and additional product information shall also be made available by the request of the farmers or consumers or producers. And next we can know product label should list processing procedures and influence the product properties in way not immediately obvious. And next we will know about the economic consideration and viability of organic farming. Yes, actually we had been know that organic farming or the production of organic products has made a key role in the economic consideration or viability of organic farming. Why? They had faced the economic benefits and also the challenges by the farmers. Why? In this, the most important thing is yield stability. When coming to yield stability, when we compare with conventional farmers, the conventional farmers means the farmers who use synthetic fertilizers or chemicals for growing a crop. And when we compare conventional farmers with the organic farmers, when the conventional farmers as easily can prevent any pest or diseases by using chemicals, or easily, and in a short time they can grow a crop with a high yield also. But when we coming to the organic farmers, they use the natural fertilizers or natural chemicals to prevent the pest or disease, but it take large time to prevent that pest or disease from the crop, and it leads to less yield. So the organic farmers, compared to the conventional farmers, they will face the problem, first of all from the yield stability only. And next thing is higher production costs. As we know that organic farming is very highly cost in India or worldwide or in market also. We know that why the organic farming is higher cost. It is due to is mainly higher cost of organic fertilizers, natural pest control methods, and also the labor intensive techniques such as crop rotations and soil conservation techniques. And next thing, third thing we have to know about higher selling prices. As we know that organic products are highly demandable in market, and they also have higher selling rate in the market when compared to the conventional products. And next one, has we know that growing demand. Why the organic cultivators or organic products has a most amount of growing demand in the market? It is due to only good health, and not use of synthetic or chemical fertilizers. They will give good health to the public, and they will improve the crop yield, not by year, but it leads to more yield to a certain time. So the growing demand for organic products is due to only consumers without use of any synthetic or chemical fertilizers, and use of environmentally natural fertilizers. And next thing is certification cost. Organic products must be certified by recognized certification agency, which can involve additional cost for farmers and producers, as we know that already. And next thing we have to know is the market competition. When we compare the organic products or organic cultivation with conventional farming and conventional products, the organic products have a highly market competition with the conventional, because the conventional products are grown or originated from synthetically, but the organic products are organic cultivation which has been done naturally. Due to this, the marketing competition between them is very higher. And next we will know about risk management. When we compare the risk management with conventional or organic farming, the risk management of organic farming is very less when compared to the conventional farming, because when the conventional farming in first year it gives a more yield or more economic stability, but when we compare the organic farming with conventional, the organic farming by using first year or second year it gives less yield or a less economic stability also. But year by year and year by year, the organic farming or organic cultivation stability has been increases. It gives a more yield and gives a more economic benefits. Then the risk management must be decreases for organic. But whereas in the conventional farming, the use of conventional farming, we must use synthetic fertilizers or synthetic chemicals. We can get more yield in 1 or 2 years, or maximally 6 years. But year by year, the soil decreases its fertility, and it leads to risk, and the land will not be cultivated as more yield in before years for in cultivation farming. As we compare both conventional and organic farming, the organic farming has a less risk management when compared to the conventional farming. And production viability for farmers and producers will invest sustainable practices, meet organic standards. And thank you.